Hello everyone, it's Chuck here. Hope you're having a great day today. Just wanted to take a couple of minutes to go over posting a reply to an existing topic. I know this is something that most of you may be familiar with, but there are others on the forum who aren't really that familiar with the forum format. So we'll cover posting a reply to an existing topic for the benefit of those who are not familiar with the process. I'll also throw in a couple of little tips and tricks that if you are familiar with this, you might want to go ahead and watch the video anyways. You might learn a couple of things. So as always, we need to make sure that we're logged into the site. And if you look about a third of the way down the site, you'll see the yellow bar that tells you that you're not logged in. So what we'll do is we'll go up to the top of the page and we'll go ahead and click in the login. And now that we're inside the site, you can see where it says my username tutorials. That's the account I'm using. And we'll scroll down now that we're logged in. Go to general discussions. And earlier I created this how to post a reply to an existing topic under my username Chuck. So we'll go ahead and we'll start here. So as you can see, the title is how to post a reply to an existing topic, and the body of the message is this is a tutorial covering the process for posting a reply to an existing topic. It's very simple. All you do is come down to here where it says write something, place your cursor in that area, type in the content of your message, and then you can go ahead and preview it. So this tutorial has been very helpful. Thank you. Preview, take a look. Is that what you want? Looks good. So I always close this and I like to hit this post reply button, but you can use either. It doesn't matter. One of the other couple things I'd like to point out, first, if you want to get the person's attention that you're responding to, this is kind of vague. You're not really sure that the member tutorials is actually responding to Chuck. So one way to do that is to use the quote button. And you can see that it automatically inserted code here that is quoting the person that you click the quote button on. So again, type in the content of your message and preview. And you can see where, okay, the user tutorials is quoting Chuck, telling Chuck this tutorial has been very helpful, thank you. So go ahead and you can hit post reply or close. Like I said, I always close this. I just like to use this button for some reason. So post a reply. Now, another benefit to doing this is that the person that you're quoting will automatically receive an email from the forum letting them know that they've been quoted in one of their posts. So that way you'll get their attention and they'll know that there's a post for them to reply to. Another method of letting the person know that you're responding to them specifically is to use the @ symbol. So we use the @ symbol, and I'll start to type in Chuck. And you can see the users, that's me, and apparently we have another user on the site called Chucks. So we'll go ahead and click my name, Chuck, because that's who we're responding to up here. And then we'll type in the content of our message again, preview it, and close and post. Now, one final thing I'd like to point out is the edit button. Let's, for example, say that you have posted something that you didn't want to, or there's a typo, you made a mistake, something along those lines. You just hit the edit button. And then you can say, change that to thank you very much, or something along those lines. And then this is optional, but it's something that's a courtesy to let people know why you've edited the post. So we'll just call this, we'll say typo. But you could put whatever reason that you decided to edit the post. Maybe you left something out, for example, like we did. And again, you can preview and save. And then you can see that you've used the @ symbol to notify Chuck. An email will be sent out to Chuck letting him know that a message has been posted referring to him. And then it shows last edited by and the time of day and the reason. And that's all there is to it. Again, if there's any issues, you have any questions or concerns, feel free to hit the Contact Us link at the bottom of the page, complete the form and hit send, and one of us will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll talk to you again soon. Thanks.